Hey everyone, alright, I just wanted to show you the brow palette today. This is the Brow Obsession palette. And then we have the Brow Artist brush. I'm going to get this angled side. And we're going to come in to this pomade. You're going to get a little bit of that, swipe on each side, and then in whichever color you want. There's a darker color, a lighter color, and then these are two highlights. And then I'm going to go in with the darker color. I tap on the back, and then the very tip. Okay, and then we're gonna just kind of do a line, and then we're just gonna start drawing. A little bit of this goes a long way, so you really just need like one little dab. And it'll give you a lot of pigment. So I kind of just like work it through. Okay. And same thing, a little bit more pomade. And then just kind of draw those lines. And then again, you don't want to overdraw too much outside of your natural brow line. You're just going to kind of do like little strokes, like you're drawing on those hairs. And then we have this side, and you can honestly, it's a highlight, but I use it sometimes as a concealer. Like if I go too far out of the line, I'll just to clean it up a little bit, you know. But it also works as a highlight for your brow area. And there you have it. That is the Brow Obsession palette and the Brow Artist brush. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.